What's going on, Ryker owners? Going to do a modification on our Ryker today. One of the first things I did when we got this Ryker last year, I bought this gear shift lever and put it on the reverse gear shift, forward gear shift. This here is way too short for my wife when she was riding this, so I bought this off Amazon. Never did like it. It always been loose. I tried tightening it. It always felt just, you never could get it tight enough. It was always loose. So I went to Sling Mods and I bought this this lever here. Goes on this way, I believe, and you just kick it forward when you want to go into reverse and pull it towards you when you want to go forward, or it might be the other way. I'm not sure which way it is. But I'm about to take this off and I'm going to put this on. It's going to be a real quick video. Hope this helps somebody. It's called Ryker shifter. It's got another name to it. I'll leave a link to the bottom of the video. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is take this off. When you first take it off, it's usually pretty hard to get this plastic sleeve off. This screw is really long in here too. This is a T30 torque tool. I bought these once I found out that you needed these T-tools, these torque tools, to get a lot of these screws off on this bike. I just didn't remember that was the type that I needed to get it off. I thought it was an Allen wrench. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. Yeah, this is a T30 torque. I think it's a torque. It's called torque wrench. I'm not sure exactly what. Okay, you get that off. And these, they're not the easiest thing to come off either. You really got to work them off to get them to come off. Well, that's one way to get them off, ain't it? Just tear it off. You don't want to do that. We're not going to need this thing anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. And now, use our Allen wrench to get this off. I may have had the wrong shift lever. Like I said, it always just slipped. And another guy did a video on YouTube, and he put the link down on Amazon for this lever, and that's how I ended up buying this lever. But I always thought it never fit right, so I never was happy with it. So a year ago when we bought these bikes, there was no aftermarket, literally nothing out there. So I had to do take this bike in for a recall for this wheel nut up here, and I decided I was going to start doing some modifications on this bike. And this was the first thing I thought of, is looking for something to fix this problem that I never did like in to begin with. Okay, I believe it goes on this way. Just stick that in there. You take the same tool that we had, the T30H, I'm not sure how you say that. I bought these tools off Amazon. I'll leave the link down there for these too, because you're definitely going to need these to work on this bike if you're planning on doing anything with it. And like I said, I bought this handle from Sling Mods. I can leave you the link to that website. They have a crap load of stuff on there for Rykers and spiders, all kinds of stuff. I ended up buying like $1,500 worth of stuff off of there to redo this Ryker, which my wife thinks I've lost my mind, but you know, I wanted us to ride this and it not just sit in this garage like it's been doing for the past year. It's only got 187 miles on it, and we've had it a year. I bought it for my wife for her birthday last year, and she never did really ride it. She rode it to work one day, and pretty much that was it. So I spent a lot of money on it, and if you guys follow me, you're gonna see me transform this bike into just an ordinary Can-Am Ryker rally to a cool looking rally. I'm going to do a lot to it. That's it on that mod. It's easy to do. As you see, I've wore the paint off back here, but you can take a permanent marker, go over that, and you'll never even know that you did anything there. But the reason that happened was because of this shift lever here. I just wore it down. This was $10. I can leave the link for this, but I don't recommend this. It's great for a short person. Just reach down here, but like I said, it just seemed like it just wanted to move. I hated it. So really, I don't recommend it. But if you don't have the money to buy this, which was $49.99, $10 I think it was on Amazon. I'll leave the link on this video. I bought the back seat. I've got to install the back pegs on it. Like I said, I bought over $2 grand worth of stuff to do this bike. It's just finding time to do it. I'm a real busy person, work a lot of hours. Sometimes it's hard just to make time to get out here and do the work I need to do. That's it for now. If you'd like to see more from me, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to start doing safety videos. I've been riding motorcycles since I was 15 years old. Safety videos, how-to videos, tips and tricks, and everything. And yes, I'm sweating my ass off. It's a little warm today. And thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you out. And I'll leave you the links down at the bottom of the page there. If you could leave comments on down at the bottom, kind of help me. I'm still new at YouTube. Like I said, I'm going to try to do more of these videos to kind of help people out. And I'd like for y'all to follow me if y'all would like to see this ordinary Ryker rally turn into something special. I've got floorboards that are going on this with highway pegs. I spent $500 alone on that stuff from another company. I can't really remember the name of that company, but when I do the video, I'll show those to you. But like I said, it's just making time to make the videos. And have a good day. Bye bye.